Hi everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are going to draw and color two colorful birds sitting on a tree branch with fruit and green leaves. So let's start. Firstly, I draw a bird like this. Here, few lines. Here, this is so much easy. And the beak and the eye. And the legs like this. And I draw the second bird. This one is same to first one. The wings like this. And here the beak and the eye, the feathers and the legs. Here I draw the tree branch like this. If you like, you can draw the tree branch before you draw birds, but here I draw birds firstly like this. Somewhat big tree branch, and I save some spots for the other branch. Here add some lines to the branch, and I add other branch, small branch like this. Here I draw a fruit. This fruit is somewhat cute and beautiful and easy to draw like this. Here also a fruit, and draw leaves. I didn't add bunch of leaves, but here I add few leaves in different sizes. And here also a fruit, and here a leaf. I draw other tree branch like this. Here and a leaf, somewhat big leaf. Here a fruit like this, and a branch and a fruit, a small branch, that one. And in this place I add leaves, and I draw lines through that branch also. Here also a fruit, and here leaf, two leaves with different sizes like this here. So we finish our bird drawing. Let's color it. I normally use color pencils. If you like, you can use pastel or any other colors, but with pencil it's so much easy and not messy like pastel like this. So let's color it. Firstly, I use dark blue in outlines, somewhat as a deep layer. After that, I add light blue like this in some places as a deep layer, and again I add pink color in other places as a deep layer. For the beak, I add red color. For this bird, as same as I use dark blue, light blue and pink color like this. This color combination is so much beautiful. In many times, color combinations beautiful than one color. And here, let's color the tree branch. Many people use only brown color for the tree branch, but here I use 3 or 4 colors for them. I normally use like this. You may think one color is so much easy like that, but here when we use color combinations, it's so much beautiful, and when we finish it may be somewhat unique also like this. Firstly, I add purple color as a deep layer in outline. After that, I add brown color as a deep layer after the purple color. And after that, again I add orange color. And here I add yellow color. This one is all over the tree branch. Like this. Here I adjust it with brown color again. You can add as you wish. Let's color the leaves. I use two colors for the leaves. Firstly, I use dark green in one side as a deep layer. After that, I add light green as a deep layer in other side. You can use yellow color and light blue also somewhat suitable. Here I add light green on top of the fruit also as a deep layer. After that, let's color the fruit. I use red color like this as a deep layer, and not all over the fruit. I save a small spot in a corner like this. If you like, you can add all over the fruit as a deep layer, but here I save a spot. All fruits like that in here also. So after that, I add yellow color for that spots like this. So this is our final art. I hope you enjoy my video. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.